Welcome to English Grammar and Writing Skills course of EduPorm EdTech. You're watching the video with Manisha Vedi, and the topic for the video is today we are going to talk about the questions related to the verbs. Okay, some of the practice questions. Now let's deal with them. The question says that spot the errors in the following. You have to find the errors and substitute them with the correct one and write the sentence or write the sentence again. Okay, you have to rewrite the sentences. Now the first question says that she as well as parents have come. Now search for the verb here. The verb is have here. Okay, the have is the verb here which has been used. Now let's read the sentence again. The sentence has she as well as parents. So parents is in the plural form and she is the singular form. So in this case what we have talked about was, can you remember the rule we talked about? The rule, there was one of the rule where we discussed that if two subjects, if any of the two subjects, or if a sentence has two subjects and if they make use of words like as well as, in that case the form of the verb used is according to the nearer subject. So in both of these, which one is the nearer subject? The nearer subject is she. So the form of the verb used will be according to the she. So it will be she as well as her parents has come. Okay, let's see the next question. Next question says that if I was you, I could have told the chairman to keep his mouth shut. So in this question, if you see that they are saying that if I was you, this sentence basically express a imaginary wish or a supposition, but in this sentence you will see that this sentence is basically expressing a supposition. I'm saying that if I was you, okay, or if I was instead of you, if I was there or I was at your place, in that case I could have told the chairman to keep his mouth shut. So in this case what you do is you make sure that you are using plural verb. So the sentence form will be, if I were you, I could have told the chairman, to keep his mouth shut. Got it? Let's see some more questions. Okay, now let's talk about some more questions. Now the third question says that bread and butter are essential for one's life. Again in this sentence you see that they are talking about two subjects. One is bread and the another one is butter. Okay, so in these two cases you know that the use of the helping verb, the form of the verb used here is according to the first subject. So it's bread. Okay, again the bread is in singular form, so it will be is. Okay, instead of are we are going to make use of is. So the sentence written here will be that bread and butter is essential for one's life. Let's deal with the fourth question. The fourth question says that several persons means they are talking about the plural form. So several persons has died by violence. So this is the error here. We should have used have instead of has, because has is a singular verb and we need to use a plural verb. So what would the plural form of has? It will be have. So the correct form will be that several persons have died by violence. Let's talk about the last one that says that when we reached there, nobody were in the class. When we reached there, nobody were in the class. So what will be the correct form? The correct form will be, instead of were, you need to use was. Why? Because we are talking about nobody, which is a nobody doesn't gives up any form of plural vibes. That is why in this case we are going to make use of was. So we are going to write is that when we reached when we reached there, nobody was in the class. Okay, nobody means you're basically they're indicating towards singular form. So in case of singular form, you have to make sure that you are making use of singular verb. So these are the questions related to the verb.